Today we're going to be putting together a few different things that you guys have learned recently. The first thing that you're going to need to recall is PEMDAS. Okay, PEMDAS, as you remember, tells us to do parentheses first. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to remember as you do your homework tonight is to do the parentheses first. The second thing that you're going to want to remember is your addition rules, because this is going to not just be multiplication, you're also going to have to be be adding integers. So if it helps you, please make the scorecard and make sure that you make your answer positive or negative, whichever it's supposed to be. Do that work very carefully. The third thing is that you're going to have to remember keep, change, change. Okay, there's going to be some subtraction in here. So you're going to want to take your time on this homework and show all of your work. Okay, expect that I'll be sending you back some corrections because this might be a little difficult at first. Okay, so as you can see in the example, they did their parentheses first here. They got 7 right here. And then they multiplied their 4 times their 7 to get 28. All right, you're going to do similar things here, but sometimes it'll be addition first. Sometimes it'll be multiplication first. Sometimes it'll be subtraction. So for this first one right here, we have to do 2 plus 3 first. That's 5. And I want you to write this in here just like this so you can see how to do it. Then you're going to write 5 times 5, and your answer is going to be 25. For the next one down below, you look at the parentheses and they want you to multiply. You got to think through all of these steps. 5 times 2 is 10. Write it down. 10 plus 3 is 13. If you don't write this stuff down, I'm going to send it back for you to do again. Okay. Now the next one in the parentheses is subtraction. Okay, so fortunately for this one, you don't even need to keep change because you know that 5 minus 2 is 3. I'm going to change colors here so it's not too confusing. Is 3. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, so just take your time on these and write down that middle step, please, so I can see if you got it wrong, where did you go wrong? And this is what you're going to do through all of these. This first one right down here, you're going to do 4 minus 3 times 5 minus 1 is 4, and your answer is 4. Don't panic when there's more than 1, okay? I'm going to skip down and do one that has some negatives in it, okay? 5 minus 3 is a bigger number minus a smaller number, so you know you don't even have to do keep, change. But 6 minus 10, I can't do that. I have to do keep, change. And then I have to use my addition rules, which I'm going to put over here. Okay, the positives have 6, the negatives have 10. So this parenthesis answer is the negatives 1 by 4. And I'm not done because my final step is to do 2 times negative 4 is negative 2. Oh, no, it's not. It's negative 8. Sorry about that. See, even I'm messing it up. You have to take your time and think, am I adding? Am I subtracting? Am I multiplying? And then use the right rules, okay? Write down your tricks if you have to. Write down your scorecards. Write down your happy faces and your sad faces, whatever helps you guys, okay? And you're going to do this very carefully and write it all down so that I can help you afterward if you need it. Take your time.